Imagine a ship sailing through the storm. The crew is working together to navigate the rough seas and keep the ship afloat. Just like a ship, your business needs to be resilient and adaptable in order to succeed in today's ever-changing environment. Reshaping Office can be your compass in the storm. We help your business navigate the changing world by organising events tailored to your business's needs.
How can you win with platforms or adopt platform logic into your business practices? What does it mean to use AI responsibly? Those are some of the topics we can bring right to your office. We leverage our network of industry experts, scholars, and thought leaders to help you future-proof your workforce. It's a chance to inspire your employees, but also provide opportunities for them to engage and collaborate with one another. In today's market, facilitating continuous learning is a must to steer your business in the right direction.
Future-proof your employees before the storm takes you. Reshaping Office, your compass for tomorrow. To book an event, contact sales at info@reshapingwork.net.